Yes, thank you. So my name is Trevor Elvin, and I am Director of Civic Engagement at the Lincoln School of Architecture and the Built Environment. I'm also the founder and director of GroundLab, which is the university's collaborative community design studio. The kind of urban context for this conversation is Sinsel residential area within the city of Lincoln. Sinsel is quite centrally located within the city with a population of about 7,000 people, yet it is quite isolated from the city, both in terms of economy and physically. In 2016, the city set up a revitalization framework partnership to work with the community and other stakeholders, including the university, to develop a placemaking framework for the area, for the regeneration of the area. The aims of this framework were many, but they included setting up opportunities for placemaking and social cohesion, including the setting up of community hubs. In response to this consultation, a collaborative design studio was set up by the University of Lincoln in collaboration with the City of Lincoln Council. And we focus on residents groups, we work with residents groups, we focus with residents groups and other stakeholders in a range of projects which have a focus on placemaking, social cohesion, and the use of public space. Projects range from small-scale urban parks, installations, pop-up spaces, street furniture, to the building of architecture and master plan proposals during the regeneration of the area. Sinsel is an interesting space in that it is quite a dense urban fabric, and it has little or no formal space within that dense urban fabric. And we're interested in examining this density in a way of trying to understand the space that does exist, the in-between space and the leftover space, and how that might be carved out and occupied. These spaces become important because they have an ability to knit the urban and social fabric together, and they also provide identity and legibility to place. So the outputs that come from GroundLab feed directly into the themes that have been set out within the city's regeneration document framework for the area. And they include community engagement workshops, architectural practice, and academic teaching and research. So with community engagement workshops, we invite artists to present and deliver community and school projects which explore ideas of collaboration and ownership of public space. So with architectural studio practice, we invite external collaborators to deliver live projects. We have an interdisciplinary approach to practice, and we engage with people from a range of backgrounds. Projects include Pocket Park Project, which is a government-funded project, which was developed to assist reconnect the Sinsel residents with nature. GroundLab collaborated with a number of local residents and the Community Land Trust, including the City Council, to design a public park next to a children's centre and a local primary school. And the completion date for that is this summer. It goes on site in 2 weeks. We also have an interdisciplinary community project, which is a small-scale placemaking intervention. Again, that's a community project where we expect the community to come and meet and play on the corner of Portland Street and Hermlet Street, and that completion date for that is 2021. So with teaching and research, academics and students from the University of Lincoln engage in teaching and learning in an immersive environment within the Urban Design Studio. This immersive environment allows students to engage with and to better understand the community and the real life context in which they're going to be working. Primarily those are architecture students, but we also collaborate with design students and students from many other disciplines. It also allows residents the opportunity, particularly young people who may not have access to university environments, to engage with the university. All the GroundLab-based projects explore themes which are driven by the university and the local council, including civic responsibility, health and environments, and urban renewal. And that's the end of my presentation. Thank you very much. I shall stop sharing. My email is available within the program, so if anybody's got any questions, please do let me know. Thank you very much.